What if I told you that you can create a professional documentary from scratch using AI, even without expensive cameras, studios, or a production team? In this video, I'll show you the complete step-by-step workflow from generating a powerful documentary idea and script to creating cinematic Vox-style images and videos, realistic AI voiceover, and finally editing everything into a polished documentary using free AI tools. So, if you're ready to turn a simple idea into an amazing documentary, let's get started.
If you're new here, welcome to AI Agent Studio. I'm Manu, and on this channel I show you the best AI tools and how to use them in simple steps anyone can follow. If that sounds helpful, hit subscribe because this one is a perfect example. Okay, let's make an AI animation story.
Step 1. Generate the documentary idea and script. First, copy the first master prompt for the documentary. Don't worry for the prompt, this is available in the description. Open chatgpt, paste the master prompt into the message box, and press enter. Wait a few seconds while ChatGPT processes the prompt and generates several documentary story ideas. You will see multiple topic options on the screen. Choose the topic you want to create your documentary about. For this example, we selected How Singapore Became Rich. Copy the selected story idea and paste it into the ChatGPT message box. Press enter. ChatGPT will then ask you to choose the video duration. Several duration options will be provided. Select the duration you want. In this example, we chose 1 minute. Copy the selected duration, paste it into the message box, and press enter. ChatGPT will now generate the complete documentary script based on your selected topic and duration. Wait a few moments until the script is fully generated. Create a new chat. Once the script has been generated, open a new chat from the left side ChatGPT dashboard. This gives us a clean conversation for the next step. Next, go to your prompts page and copy the second master prompt. Return to the new ChatGPT conversation, paste the second master prompt into the message box, and press enter. Wait for ChatGPT to process the prompt. It will ask you to provide the documentary script. Add the documentary script. Go back to the previous ChatGPT conversation where the documentary script was generated. Click the copy icon to copy the entire script. Return to the new chat and paste the copied script into the message box. Press enter. ChatGPT will now analyze the documentary script and generate image prompts for every scene. Each scene will have its own detailed image prompt. For example, Scene 1, Image Prompt, Scene 2, Image Prompt, Scene 3, Image Prompt, and so on until every scene in the documentary has been covered. The image prompts are designed in a Vox-style documentary visual format, giving the scenes a consistent, cinematic, informative, and professional documentary look. At the end of this step, you will have a complete set of scene-by-scene Vox-style image prompts that can be used to create the visuals for your documentary. Step 2. Generate images for the documentary. Now that we have all the scene-by-scene image prompts from ChatGPT, it's time to turn those prompts into high-quality documentary visuals. Open Google Flow AI first. Open Google Flow AI. Once the interface loads, click on the New Project option to create a new project. You will then see the project workspace where you can generate your images. Generate the Scene 1 image. Go back to the ChatGPT conversation where we generated the Vox-style image prompts. Copy the Scene 1 image prompt. Now return to Google Flow AI and paste the prompt into the prompt box. Before generating the image, configure the image settings according to your project requirements. Make sure the settings are consistent with the visual style you want for the entire documentary. Once everything is ready, press Enter/Generate and wait a few moments for Flow AI to process the prompt. And there you have it. The Scene 1 image is ready. You can review the generated image and make sure it matches the documentary style, composition, subject, and overall visual direction of your prompt. Generate the scene. To image now, let's generate the image for scene 2. Go back to ChatGPT and copy the scene 2 image prompt. Return to Google Flow AI, paste the prompt into the same prompt box, and use the same image settings as before. Press Enter/Generate and wait for the image to be created. Once the generation is complete, review the result to make sure it maintains the same visual style and quality as Scene 1. Generate the remaining scene images. Now repeat the same process for every remaining scene. Continue this process until you have generated images for every scene in the documentary. Final result. Once all the generations are complete, you will have a complete collection of scene-by-scene documentary images. Because every image is created from the prompts generated in the previous step, the visuals maintain a consistent Vox-Style documentary aesthetic: cinematic, informative, realistic, and visually engaging. These images are now ready for the next stage of the documentary production process, turning the static scenes into a complete video. Step 3. Generate videos for the documentary. Now that we have all the documentary images ready, it's time to turn those static images into cinematic video clips. Copy the third master prompt. First, go to your prompts page and copy the third master prompt, also called the universal prompt. Keep this prompt ready because we will use it for each scene to maintain a consistent visual style and motion across the entire documentary. Add the first image to the video prompt. Now return to Google Flow AI, choose the first documentary image you want to animate. Click the three-dot menu on the right side of the image. From the menu, select Add to Prompt. You will now see the selected image added to the prompt/description area. Next, paste the third master prompt/universal prompt that you copied at the beginning of this step. Configure the video settings before generating the video. Configure the settings according to your documentary requirements. For example, generation type, video aspect. Ratio, select the ratio required for your project. Duration, choose the desired video duration. Number of videos, select the number of variations you want to generate. Once all the settings are configured, click Generate. Flow AI will begin processing the image and prompt. Wait a few moments for the video to be generated. Generate the next scene. While the first video is processing, you can repeat the same process with another scene image. Select the next image and click the three-dot menu. Choose Add to Prompt, then paste the same universal prompt. Keep your video settings consistent with the previous generation and click Generate. The second video will now begin generating. Repeat the process again for the third image and all remaining scene images. Generate all documentary scenes. Continue using the same workflow for every scene. Using the same universal prompt and consistent settings helps maintain a cohesive Vox-style documentary look throughout the entire project. Review the generated videos. Once the videos are generated, review each result carefully. Let's check the first video. As you can see, the still image has been transformed into an engaging video with cinematic movement, animated elements, and documentary-style motion. If you're satisfied with the result, click the download button to save the video. Now check the second result. It also looks great, so download it as well. Review the third video, and if the quality and motion are satisfactory, download that one too. Repeat this process until every documentary scene has been converted into a video clip. At the end of this step, you should have a complete collection of Vox-style cinematic video clips, with each clip corresponding to a scene from your documentary. These clips are now ready for the next stage, editing them together with voiceover, music, sound effects, and transitions to create the final documentary. Step 4. Generate a video using 2 images. In this step, we'll create a video that smoothly combines 2 different images into a single cinematic sequence. Add 2 images to the prompt. First, go to Google Flow AI and select the 2 images you want to combine. Instead of adding just one image, use the Add to Prompt option to add both images to the same prompt. Make sure both images are added before moving to the next step. Now go back to your prompts page and copy prompt 4. Upload to image prompt. Return to Google Flow AI and paste the copied prompt into the prompt box. Once everything is ready, click Generate and wait a few moments while Flow AI processes both images and creates the video. Review the result. Once the generation is complete, review the final video. You should see a smooth transition and visual connection between the two selected images, creating a more dynamic documentary sequence. If you're satisfied with the result, simply click the Download button and save the video to your project folder. You have successfully created a combined two-image documentary video. This technique is especially useful when you want to connect two related scenes, create a visual transition, or show a progression from one moment to another. Now that this step is complete, let's move on to the next step, Step 5. Generate the audio. Now that our documentary video clips are ready, it's time to generate the voiceover narration. For this step, we'll use Dub AI to convert the documentary script into professional-sounding narration. Open Dub AI first. If you're using the platform for the first time, create an account or sign up. Once you've completed the sign-up process, you'll be taken to the main interface. Open AI Voiceover. From the Dub AI dashboard, find and click on AI Voiceover. This will open the voiceover generation interface where you can turn your documentary script into spoken audio. Copy your documentary script. Now go back to the original ChatGPT conversation where you created the documentary script in Step 1. Click the copy icon to copy the entire script. Return to Dub AI and paste the complete script into the voiceover text box. Select a voice next. Click More Voiceover to browse the available AI voices. Choose a voice that fits the tone and style of your documentary. For this example, we selected the Serenith voice. After selecting the voice, click Select to apply it to your script. Preview the voiceover before exporting the audio. Preview the narration by clicking the play button. Listen carefully to the pronunciation, pacing, tone, and overall delivery. If you're happy with the result, you're ready to export the audio. Export the audio, click the Export button. Select MP3 as the output format, then click Export again. Dub AI will process the narration and generate your audio file. And that's it. Your documentary voiceover is now exported as an MP3 file and is ready to be combined with your video clips during the final editing stage. We've now completed the audio generation step. Let's move on to the final step. Step 6. Edit the documentary. Now we have everything we need, the scene-by-scene video clips and the documentary voiceover. In this final step, we'll bring everything together in a video editing software. For this tutorial, we'll use Filmora. Open Filmora and create a new project. You'll see the main editing interface, including the media library, preview window, and timeline. Import all media. The first thing we need to do is import all of our project files. Import all the scene video clips, the documentary voiceover audio, any additional music or sound effects if needed. Once everything has been imported, your media files will appear in the project's media library. Add the voiceover to the timeline start by dragging the documentary voiceover audio onto the timeline. This audio track will act as the foundation for the entire edit because the scene timing should follow the narration. Listen to the voiceover and identify where each scene or visual should appear. Add and arrange the scene videos. Now drag the scene videos onto the video track in the correct order. Place each scene according to the corresponding section of the narration. Adjust the duration of each clip so that the visuals match the voiceover as closely as possible. Trim any unnecessary portions and make sure there are no unwanted gaps between scenes. Continue this process until all the documentary scenes are synchronized with the narration. Review the complete edit. Once you've arranged all the clips, play the entire timeline from beginning to end. Check the following. Does each scene match the narration? Are the transitions between scenes smooth? Is the pacing engaging? Are there any unwanted gaps or awkward cuts? Is the audio clear and properly synchronized? Do the visuals maintain a consistent documentary style? Make any final adjustments needed before exporting. Export the final documentary. Once you're satisfied with the edit, click the Export button. Choose your desired video format, resolution, frame rate, and other export settings according to your project requirements. Then click Export again and wait while Filmora processes the project. Once the export is complete, your final documentary video is ready. And that's it. You have successfully completed the entire documentary production workflow, from generating the story idea and script to creating images, cinematic video clips, voiceover narration, and the final edited documentary. Your documentary is now ready to watch, publish, or share. How did a tiny island with almost no natural resources become one of the richest countries on Earth? When Singapore became independent in 1965, many doubted it could survive. It had little land, no oil, no large domestic market, and almost no natural resources. Yet within decades, Singapore transformed itself into a global economic powerhouse. The first secret was location. Singapore sits beside one of the world's busiest shipping routes. Its leaders turned that geographic advantage into a massive international port and made trade the foundation of the economy. And that's how you can create a complete documentary using AI, from the story and visuals to cinematic videos, voiceover, and final editing. If you found this workflow helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more AI filmmaking tutorials. See you in the next one.